Hi, this is Dr. Don. I want to take a couple of minutes and show you how to create your lab project folder on RStudio Cloud and upload the templates. Just go to your workspace and then I'm going to click on New Project, and it's an RStudio project. Let that take a few seconds while it's deploying our initial project, and I'm just going to pause the video here. Okay, we have our project coming into view. There's our basic project all set up. First thing you want to do, of course, is change the name, and I'm just going to call this BDL-Labs for short, Business Data Literacy Labs, and that'll work for a name. Then we want to upload our files. So click on Upload, and then we want to choose, and then to navigate where you stored the files. Now I've been here a minute ago, so they're here. You want to upload the zip file. If you've already unzipped it to look around, use the zip folder. That's the only thing that will go up en masse. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK and let it upload. And there we've got our data. If you look in that, you can see we've got our data folder and our lab templates. Now, I like to have my work product in the root folder there, the project folder. So I'm just going to click on check that and click on more and move them both up to the project level. And I can click up there. I can see I have my templates and my data. I don't need this empty folder anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of that by checking on that and delete. Yes. And there we go. We've got our data, and then we've got our lab templates, and we'll be using the first lab template here shortly. Hope this helps.